Are we in there? What happened in here? Well, welcome everybody. Welcome to the math news. What? What is happening here? Gosh. Well, I'm always a superstar here, but I think that not today. Well, someone told me that that was a big crime. The crime of the science. Yeah. How you know we have a lot of types of graphs that are showing now. The x graph, x to the square, the square root of x, the cubic root of x, the absolute value of x, and the x to the cube. Well, you saw the types of graphs that we have, but those are our treasures. Now, how you know we have a bad news? A lot of people are trying to destroy them, like the science. Yeah, a lot of people are trying to change those graphs. Firstly, we have the sign outside the parentheses. Secondly, we have the sign inside the parentheses. Thirdly, we have the addition or subtraction inside the parentheses. And fourthly, we have the addition or subtraction outside the parentheses. Welcome to the Math Lab. Here we are going to make the experiments to attack the criminals. Firstly, we are going to do a graph. Are you ready? Firstly, we are going to do a graph. And first, we are going to talk the crime of the science. So we are going to put this one. So first, we are going to talk the outside sign. So the sign outside means that it's like a reflection. So everything when we have the graph, you know that just the red graph, this one, it's like this, right? So it's going to change if it goes to down, 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 down. So that's why the blue graph, it's like the opposite. So because everything goes like the inversely, so goes down, and when we are going to tag the inside sign, so it means that everything we are going to pass to the other side, but just to the right or to the left. In this case it's in the left, so it passes to go to the right, so it's going to be the same graph. It is going to be the same graph. Why? Because here we have the opposite, the side outside the parentheses, so it means that everything that is up goes down. Everything that is up goes down. And the sign that it's inside the parentheses means that everything that is in the right go to the left, in the left go to the right, and everything that is in the right go to the left. Do you understand that's rules? So now we are going to talk the crime of the numbers, or the sum or subtractions, the addition of this or subtractions inside or outside the parentheses. In this case, we are going to make the example of the absolute value, that this acts like if it was the parentheses, it's the same. So here we have the number inside the parentheses or the absolute value, and here we have the numbers outside the absolute value or the parentheses is the same. So for example, when we have an addition or a subtraction inside, we need to solve for x. So for example, in this case it is x minus 3. We need 2 equals to 0, like this. X minus 3. So x passes positive. So it means that x is equals to 3. So in this case, the numbers or the additions or the subtractions that are inside means that goes to the right or to the left. Whatever, if it is positive, goes to the right. If it is negative, goes to the left. So in this case it's positive, so we need to move 3 spaces to the right. Here. And when we have an addition or a subtractions outside the parentheses, in this case the absolute value, we just move up or down. It depends of the sign of the number. In this case is positive, we go up. In this case, this is a 3, so we are going to start to graph in this point. So we just graph the graph of the absolute value, and here's our final graph. Now we are going to make the final example with everything, with the signs outside and inside, with the addition or subtraction inside and outside the parentheses. So well, the first step is, do you remember? Firstly, we are going to tag the outside sign. It says that everything goes down. In this case, this is a U shape because it's to the square. So everything goes down like this. Everything goes down. And then the sign inside the parentheses means that everything that is in the right passes to the left. In this case it's the same. So it's like if we change this to the other this. So in this case it's an U shape. So it's the same. So do you remember when we need to solve for x? So this is positive, so it means that it's negative, that it's positive, so it means that goes 3 to the left, and it is negative, so here it's the minus 3, and here it's 3 to the left and 3 down. So here we start to graph. Here is 3 to the left and 3 down. Why? Because this is a minus x. So it means that it will be the same. For example, minus x plus 3 equals 0. It's minus x equals to minus 3x equals 3. Thank you very much. Math News. It's time. Bye bye.